The world relies on GPS to deliver precise positioning, navigation, and timing information. But the GPS satellite signal power we receive on Earth is extremely weak and vulnerable, and these low-power transmissions can be disrupted easily by almost anyone. Introducing Focus Telecom, a leader and innovator that protects GNSS services worldwide. Focus Telecom has based its PNT Security on years of experience to develop a line of smart security products that deliver front-end cyber solutions that protect critical infrastructure from jamming attacks. The Autosphere features unique and patented technology that quickly analyzes interference and filters out jamming signals. Autosphere is also at the core of our GPS Resilient Kit, which is designed to protect time servers and other GNSS receivers against jamming threats. And our GPS sensor is the perfect surveillance tool for critical infrastructure, giving users visibility of jamming attacks. Don't let jamming bring down your network. Discover how Focus Telecom can keep you protected from GNSS attacks.